Get on the ground. We got him. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. Stand by, Central. Give us your hands now or you're going to get tased. Do you understand me? Make a good decision. Give us, all right. Give me your hands now. Give me your hands now. Central, we're 1026 right here at Nellie B in Fairview. It's going to be Timmy Patmon. Everybody slow it down.
Oh my God.
We're going to need units for crowd control. Yeah. I got him with my car. That's what they're yelling about. Where's your ID at? Huh? You need an ambulance? Central, we need EMS here.
No, y'all shouldn't have hit that man like that.
Huh? Step back. Don't play with me. Step back. Stand up. We're going to put you in the back of this car while we wait on an ambulance, all right? Huh? You don't want to lay like that, man. It ain't good when you're handcuffed. What hurts?
My leg, my hip, and all this shit hurt me.
Okay. From when you hit the ground?
Yeah, you know, man. You hit me with
Oh, I know. I know. I know what I did. Why'd you run? Huh? Yeah. You just want to lay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to sit up on the curb? Yeah.
All right. Just roll this way. Sit up. You want to sit on the curb? All right. I'm going to lift you up on the curb, okay?
Why'd you run? You know you had the warrant? No, I just didn't run, so I took all in.
You're Timothy Patmon, right? Huh?
Yes,
yeah, you are. Hey, Paul. You got to go. Hey, go check that side of my. You stay with him real quick. Huh? Tires off the rim? Tires off the rim?
Yeah.
Okay.
One of these y'all's car?
Yeah, that one.
Alright, see? Get him in it, get him down the street, let him
Okay. My tire's off the rim. I hit the curb.
Okay.
So I don't know if we need risk for that.
Not for a tire, but just give him a different car. If we get him out of here, the crowd will dissipate on their own.
Okay. Hey, back up.
Get back.
Yeah.
Cigarettes, huh? Did I hit the man? Saulter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you hit the man. If you get close, hit the street, and you make some come over there, all right?
You ready?
One.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, stand up. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Where are we going? This one right here.
Save to the AMVET. Have you message there?
Okay. I gotta take a cigarette. We can't smoke in the car, all right? Hey, Bond.
We're gonna go to AMVET. That's where EMS will check you out.
Huh?
I got some you can have.
He got one you can have.
Well, my bag's not with me.
All right. We'll give it to you in AMVETs, okay? Dang, I ain't gonna be able to drive it. 495 to 2228. Hey, my tire's off the rim of my patrol car. I don't know. All right. 1022. I'll get with you in a second. Yeah. Yeah. He said take it to AMVET. Sergeant Smith try to get it AMVETs.
All right.
It's gonna be slow.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna try to get it to AMVETs.
All right.
I didn't hit him with the car. I blocked him with the car.
Yeah, he didn't. He's fine. He's in the back.
He hit the ground, but I mean,
You didn't hit him.
no. He was running down Vine right there at Fairview, and he's running this way, and I just came this way, and he ran into the hood of my car and bounced off.
Right.
And I blew my tire on the curb right there. Timothy Patmon. Huh? I hit it as soon as I was.
As long as you just make some kind of overt movement to strike him, you'll be fine.
No, I meant I did it in like to try to go in front of him.
Car already dented there. You do that when he hit it.
Where's it dented? I might have hit that stop sign. Yeah, I think I hit the stop sign at Nellie being Fairview then. No, he was running on the curb right there. I tried to block him, and that's when I busted my tire off the rim, and I guess it threw me into the.
Either that or the wheel came up.
I think the wheel might have came up and hit it. I don't know. With the tire being like that, I mean, I don't doubt that it.
Yeah. I mean, a little scuff right there, but it seems like you hit a stop sign. It doesn't more than that.
Yeah, I don't know. You could ask Blackmon. I don't know. He'd know better if I hit it or not.
We'll change the tire out and see.
Okay.
He takes off running. I start chasing on foot. Taylor tries to cut him off. That's why the tire's off.
Yeah. Did I hit that stop sign?
Yeah, I think he did.
Okay.
And then Taylor backs up. I'm still chasing. He goes, and he's on this side, and the guy kind of cuts in front of Taylor's car. Taylor hits the brakes, and I mean, nothing he could do. He backed, but he ran right into Taylor's front of Taylor's car.
I was trying to block him with my car.
Anybody got a lighter?
Huh? Yeah, Timothy Patmon.
This will be a lighter. Take my glove box.
Is there? You can get it.